Cedric Fury hits back at homophobic hate after that feathers snap. Scheme Som actor Cedric Fury has broken his silence on the social media storm that erupted after his appearance with Les Eyes Oui Dombus at the Feather Awards last week. The pair heated up the pink carpet when they posed for pictures together. Yo! The way people were mourning on social media, you would have thought Cedric had died. His Instagram post was flooded with comments about how sad it was that he was gay and how it was a waste of a good man. After 3 days of watching the reactions to the snap, Cedric took to Twitter on Sunday to share how the experience had taught him a lot. He also clapped back at those calling him a waste, telling them that they never stood a chance anyway. Gay men are being called waste by some bitter women who've just realized they'll never have them. As if they'd have them if they were not gay. He said despite the backlash he would not change or stop supporting the lesbian community. I will never stop being an ally to the lesbian community Ninile, he said. He said the issue was not about his sexuality, but the way people were being dragged for who they were. Let's not focus on what everybody's thoughts are about me. This is bigger than me, this is bigger than your thoughts. This is about that one boy/girl who's being dragged in the gutters and being burned for who he/she is. Let the focus be on that issue and others similar to those.